Welcome to this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. You can call me Talent Man. On this episode, I'm going to share with you 7 important mobile apps you need to be productive. 7 important mobile apps you need to be productive. But before I get into it, I want to urge you kindly subscribe to my channel now, like this video, leave a comment for me, and share this video so others can also get to learn what you've been learning on my channel all this while. So let's get into it. 7 important apps you need to be productive. First one, YouTube. You definitely need to have YouTube on your phone. See, YouTube is a university on its own. YouTube, it is a university on its own. You can learn so much from YouTube. Let me say it again. You can learn so much from YouTube. I, for one, I have learned so much on YouTube. I do graphic design now, and it's because I learned it on YouTube. I learned from YouTube. See, there is so much. No matter the course you want to do, no matter the skill you want to learn, no matter the course you want to read, just come online, come to YouTube and search, you will find it. And you can learn everything on YouTube. All you need is your phone or your laptop and data. So make sure you always have YouTube on your phone. And make sure when you come on YouTube, it's not just to watch music videos. There's a place for music videos. I also come to YouTube to watch music videos once in a while. I know. So I would say don't watch those things. I also come here to watch comedy sometimes. But it must be in moderation. Don't always come here only to watch comedy or only to come and watch music videos. Always come and watch funny videos. I mean, Charlie, enough of the music videos and the funny videos. That is not the only thing on YouTube. That's not the only thing on YouTube. There is so much. There is so much information on YouTube. There is so much knowledge abundant on YouTube that you can learn from. So when you come on YouTube, look for people you can learn from. Just search anything you want to learn. Come with me and just search. You will find it on YouTube. So have YouTube on your phone. No matter what you do, have YouTube app on your phone. The next app you need, this one, I know you definitely have it, and we all have it, WhatsApp. You definitely need to have WhatsApp. The thing is that now everyone is on WhatsApp. So the easiest way to connect to anyone is on WhatsApp, right? So if you have WhatsApp and all you're doing with WhatsApp is just to be part of 1,000 groups and just chatting about non-fa, just chatting and laughing and vibing and just doing nothing productive, you have the WhatsApp, but I think it's for the wrong reasons. Look, when you have WhatsApp, make sure you're productive on WhatsApp, because people are using WhatsApp for very productive things. People are making so much money just from WhatsApp. Just by posting business stuff on their WhatsApp status, they are closing so much deal. They are making so much money on WhatsApp, just on WhatsApp status. So, WhatsApp status, people are posting their business on their WhatsApp status, and they are getting calls, and they are selling their products and services, and they are making money. So WhatsApp is an app you definitely need to have. That one I know you have. So now that you have it, make sure you're using it productively. Don't just be there to post non-fa and be part of groups. I talk about nonsense. The whole day I'm talking about nonsense. Oh my guy. There is time for the nonsense and the laughing and the joking on the WhatsApp pages. I know. I do it. But make sure you're being productive. You're being productive on WhatsApp. The third app you need is LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Find a way to have LinkedIn on your phone. LinkedIn is an app, and recently I heard something. Someone says that he went on LinkedIn and then he went off because when you see people's profile on LinkedIn, sometimes it's so intimidating. Charlie, someone has MSc and MPhil and they are CEO of this and they are MD of that, and it looks so intimidating. So he doesn't really have much experience or much qualification. He doesn't really know what to put on his LinkedIn, so he left there. My guy, if you really want to get connected to people who matter in our world, be on LinkedIn. Be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a place for serious people. When you go, for example, if you need business contacts, serious business contacts, and you are comparing LinkedIn to TikTok, it's a wrong comparison because TikTok is not for serious things. TikTok is just for jokes. For funny videos. Well, there are videos there by influencers who are teaching very good stuff, so you can find it there. But for the majority part of it, TikTok is only for fun. Go to LinkedIn. Have a profile on LinkedIn. Create your profile. Make sure your profile is well created. Put in your right qualifications and sell yourself out well on LinkedIn. And you'll be shocked the type of people you will connect with on LinkedIn. People who ordinarily you wouldn't have gotten to meet them in real life. On LinkedIn, you get to connect with them. And if you really have something good to sell or to propose to them, you can get to do business with these kind of big people on LinkedIn. So if you are a serious-minded person in life, don't just be on WhatsApp and Facebook and Twitter or and TikTok. Get LinkedIn. Be on LinkedIn. Make sure you have the LinkedIn app on your phone. The next one is Instagram. Instagram is one of the biggest marketplaces now. Comparing comparing Instagram to Facebook, even though they are being owned by the same person, Mark Zuckerberg. But Instagram is normally the place where people go to research about companies before doing business with them. And for most people, I'm sure you even agree with me. Sometimes before you do business with someone, you go to their Instagram page to go and check them out and see if they are really correct businesses, whether they have a profile, whether they have things they have posted there, to check out their products and services before you even engage with them. So Instagram is a very good marketplace. If you're not on LinkedIn, I keep bringing the LinkedIn. If you're not on Instagram, you have a smartphone, you are wasting your smartphone. Or if you have a smartphone and you're not doing correct business on Instagram, you are wasting your smartphone, you are wasting your app, you are wasting your internet service. And if you're on Instagram, use it for the right things. Use Instagram for the right things. All right, open a business account for yourself or for your business, and do things that can bring you money, because people are making so much money from Instagram. People are making so much money just by posting stuff on their Instagram pages and promoting them. People are making so much money. So you definitely need the Instagram app on your phone. If you have a smartphone, you need Instagram on your phone. The next one is Allison or Udemy. Allison or Udemy. These are very solid, let me say that again, very solid educational apps. If you don't want to have the app Krana, make sure you go to their website, Udemy, Udemy, or Allison, ALISON.com. See, there is so much you can learn, so much qualification, so much. All the things you are learning in the university are available on Allison or Udemy. Just go there, you'll find it. Some are even for free. That's the most interesting part. Some are for free. You go there, you learn. You can even get a certificate in whatever course you want to read, whatever qualification you need to progress with your career. You can find on Allison.com or on Udemy.com. Either you go to their website or you get their app on your phone, and you can get to learn so much. Some are for free, and some just for a few dollars, maybe like $9. How much is $9 in your currency? If it's in Ghana cedis, let's take 10 times 6, roughly 60 cedis. And you get to get a whole qualification, and you think it's too much money, but you can spend 60 cedis to go and buy pizza. Rearrange your priorities. So definitely get the Allison or Udemy on your phone, because it is a very good educational app. The next one is Canva or Designer. Canva or Designer. If you want to learn how to do graphic design, you can start with Canva or Designer. Designer is spelled DESYGNER. DESYGNER. Designer or Canva. These are apps that give you a lot of templates for designing social media flyers and all that. Flyers, labels, logos, whatever it is you want to design. It's available on Designer or Canva. So if you think you can learn how to use Photoshop, definitely get Canva or Designer. And if you are on social media, you need to find a way to keep your account always active. And one of the apps that can help you to create content very easily, you understand, for your social media handles is Canva or Designer. They have so many templates you can choose and pick from, and just modify it a bit to create content for your social media handle. So definitely get Canva or Designer. And the last one, which is very important, or let me say the most important one of all, have the Bible app on your phone. Have the Bible app on your phone. If you're a Christian, have the Bible app on your phone. You can't be a Christian and not have the Bible app at least on your phone, because there are places you go that you will not carry your Bible along. But once you have the Bible app on your phone, you can always go to your phone and read your Bible or refer to your Bible at any point in time. So definitely, see, if you're a Christian and you don't have the Bible app on your phone, you are wasting your phone. Then probably you're a lost Christian. So definitely have the Bible app on your phone. Now, the list I've given you is not exhaustive. There are so many. See, I can give you over 50 apps you need on your phone. But to me, these are the 7 most important ones I think you need to have on your phone. And I have all these on my phone. So you can also try and download them onto your phone. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. Kindly subscribe to my channel now, so you can always get the updates anytime I upload new content. Thank you, and I will see you on the next episode.